Walls aren't just backgrounds, they're the perfect canvas for Christmas magic. From sparkling garlands to festive art, your walls can bring warmth and joy to every corner. Whether you love modern minimalism or cozy tradition, wall decor adds instant holiday charm. Let's explore Christmas wall decor ideas that will make your home feel merry and bright. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a fun DIY wall project? Create hanging ornament displays or paper snowflakes. DIY wall decor adds a handmade touch and turns crafting into a joyful holiday activity. DIY done? Like this if your creativity sparkles this season. What are classic wall decor options? Hang wreaths, garlands, or festive artwork. Mix textures like pine, ribbon, and metallic accents for timeless holiday elegance. Classic touch added? Like this if your walls feel cozy and refined. What about wall shelves for decor? Style shelves with candles, small trees, or ornaments. Balance heights and colors for a clean modern display that feels cozy and curated. Shelves styled? Like this if your display feels picture perfect. What about hanging wreaths indoors? Wreaths aren't just for doors. Hang them above fireplaces or mirrors. Choose greenery, berries, or frosted designs for classic holiday charm. Wreaths up? Like this if your walls bloom with Christmas cheer. How do I start decorating my walls for Christmas? Choose one feature wall to focus on. Add garlands, frames, or twinkling lights. It's the perfect place to showcase your holiday creativity. Wall chosen? Like this if your Christmas style starts shining now. How do I use wall decals or stickers? Snowflake decals or holiday quotes instantly transform walls without damage. Perfect for renters or anyone who loves easy seasonal updates. Decals up? Like this if your walls sparkle with creativity. How do I keep the look balanced? Avoid overcrowding, leave space between elements. Focus on symmetry, layering, and a clear color palette for an elegant, cohesive feel. Balance perfect? Like this if your walls glow with festive harmony. How do I add warm lighting to the walls? Drape string lights, fairy strands, or LED snowflakes. Lighting softens the mood and creates a magical glow across your living space. Lights glowing? Like this if your wall shines with warmth and joy. How can I use greenery on walls? Hang eucalyptus or pine garlands across frames or shelves. Add fairy lights or bows for texture, freshness, and a natural forest feel. Greenery glowing? Like this if your walls feel alive and festive. Can I use fabric or banners for decoration? Yes. Add Merry Christmas banners, plaid scarves, or linen backdrops. Fabric elements add softness and make your space feel extra festive. Banners placed, like this if your wall waves with holiday joy. Can I create a gallery wall for Christmas? Absolutely. Use seasonal prints, family photos, or framed quotes. Mix in ornaments and fairy lights for a cheerful, personal touch. Gallery glowing like this if your wall tells a festive story. Can I add mirrors or frames? Mirrors reflect light beautifully and double the sparkle. Surround them with garlands or ribbon for a magical, glowing focal point. Mirrors styled like this if your walls shimmer in holiday light. Your walls can bring the spirit of Christmas to life with just a few creative touches. From twinkling lights to handmade accents, every detail adds warmth and wonder. This season, decorate beyond the tree and let your walls tell your holiday story. Inspired by these wall decor ideas? Like and return for more festive decorating inspiration.